Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be exploring 3 hidden gems from the years 1999D, 2004, and 2006D. Stay tuned to discover their unique features and current values. Start with 1999 1 cent before we unveil the value. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The year 1999, a time of change, innovation, and, in the world of coins, the birth of something special. The D mint mark signifies that this coin was minted at the Denver Mint, adding a touch of uniqueness to its story. Now, let's talk design. The obverse features the iconic image of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States.
But what sets this coin apart is the D mint mark, discreetly placed on the reverse side. It's these small details that can make a big difference in coin collecting. As any collector knows, condition is key. A well-preserved 1999 1 cent coin with a mint mark can fetch a higher value. Rarity also plays a role. The fewer in circulation, the more desirable it becomes. So, check your piggy banks and coin jars. Now, the big question, what's the value? While the 1999 1 cent coin with 18 mint mark isn't a mega rarity, it still holds value, especially in pristine condition. Last year, on the market, sold for $35,422, you might find collectors willing to pay a premium for this particular piece of history. Next up, we have the 2004 1 cent coin, without a mint mark, has caught the attention of collectors and hobbyists alike. What makes this coin special, and why is it generating buzz in the numismatic community? Art for scarcity of coins without mint marks often contributes to their collectability. Rarity is a key factor that can elevate a coin's value. So, just how rare are these 2004 1 cent coins without mint marks, and how does their scarcity impact their market value? To truly understand the value of a coin, we must consider its historical context. What was happening in 2004 that might have led to the production of these unique coins without mint marks? Examining the historical backdrop can provide valuable insights. Faced with any collectible, the condition of the coin plays a crucial role in determining its value. Are these 2004 1 cent coins typically found in good condition, or is wear and tear a common issue? We'll explore what collectors look for when evaluating the state of these coins. Now, the burning question, what is the current market value of a 2004 1 cent coin without a mint mark? We'll delve into recent sales. Auction results in this condition sold for $15,500. Last but not least, the 2006 1 cent coin features the iconic image of Abraham Lincoln on the front and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse side. These coins were minted in Denver, hence the does mint mark, and if you're lucky enough to have one in good condition, it might just be worth more than its face value. Some collectors often use a grading scale to determine the condition of a coin. The better the condition, the higher the value. Now let's talk about the potential value of the 2006 1 cent coin with a D mint mark. Several factors come into play when determining the value of a coin, such as rarity, demand, and of course, condition. Coins in good condition, like this one, can fetch a higher price in the collector's market. So how much could this 2006 1 cent coin be worth? While it's essential to consult with a professional appraiser for an accurate value. These coins generally range from $8,000 to $10,000. However, rare varieties or coins in exceptional condition can command higher prices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on coins, collectibles. Happy collecting!